Apply fenugreek in these 5 ways to brighten your face. Many nutrients are found in fenugreek seeds, which are beneficial for health as well as skin. You can also use fenugreek seeds for skincare in some ways. Let's know in the article. Properties present in fenugreek. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are found in fenugreek seeds, which help in eliminating skin problems. Apply fenugreek and aloe vera gel. Mix aloe vera gel with fenugreek paste and apply it on the face and leave it for half an hour, and then wash the face with fresh water. This helps in reducing irritation and redness of the face. It also brightens the face. Apply fenugreek and rose water. Mix fenugreek powder with rose water and apply it on the face, and now scrub the face lightly and then wash it with water. This helps in removing dead skin from the face and cleaning the skin. Apply fenugreek and curd. For this, soak 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds overnight and then make a paste of them in the morning. Now, mix 1 teaspoon turmeric and 2 teaspoons curd well in this paste. This helps in cleansing the skin deeply, moisturizing the skin, and improving the skin. Apply fenugreek water. For this, soak fenugreek seeds overnight and then wash your face with this water in the morning. You can do this every day. This helps in reducing blemishes and improving skin complexion. Benefits of fenugreek face pack. Applying fenugreek face pack and scrubbing helps in reducing skin blemishes, removing dead skin, and making the skin soft. Precautions. Keep in mind that before applying fenugreek face pack, do a patch test and do not apply it if you are allergic. Consult a doctor if you are allergic. To brighten your face, you can use fenugreek in the ways mentioned in the article.